everyone and welcome back. So today I am going to show you my 1/43 scale Tata Diecast model car collection. So let's get started with the video. So these are the models itself, and I have here Tata Nano, Tata Indica, Vista and the Tata Xenon XT, and all these three models are officially merchandised by Tata and made by Norev, and I have bought these models from an Instagram page called Diecaster Profile. So if you want to buy these or any other models, you can contact him. And I have also made a separate video on all these three models, so if you want to see that, I'll provide the link in the description. And let's get back to the video. So hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, then like this video and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye bye, take care.